how to make Spotify louder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make a Spotify louder. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to make your Spotify account louder or your app louder, first of all, sometimes the issue is not with the songs but with the volume. So make sure that your volume is actually set to the maximum level. You want to make sure that the media volume, not notifications or system volume, but the media volume is set to maximum, so that what happens is that it is not this issue. We just want to make sure of that. And sometimes the issue could be coming from the song itself, so you can actually try to play another song and another song to see how loud that really is. Aside from that, if you still want to customize a couple of options, you can do so from the profile section, going to settings and privacy here. Then here you can see all these sorts of options. You can see stream audio only. You want to make sure to turn that on. You can see auto mix, turn that on. You can turn off normalize volume in case the volume is not to the level, or you can turn it on to see how that actually helps you. So these were the ways on how you can make a Spotify louder. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.